Hello, it's Rahim here. I am not the only entrepreneur right now having difficult time sleeping, and I know a lot of people worries are exactly the same. I want to share 3 habits you need to implement in your life in these difficult times so that you would have the life you crave for. Number one, number one, find good. People are great in figuring out what's wrong with the world, why things are horrible, why people are holding them back, why things cannot work. They are good in figuring out why the advices they were given is bad, why the economy is bad, the prime minister is bad, everyone is against them, and so on. Our subconscious is designed exactly for that. Look, I know you may have heard this before, but if this is the first time you've heard me and you're going to implement what I'm going to say so that you get the life you want, go for it. Find the good. It's really, really easy to complain and blame others for your mistakes, for your failures. You see, but what if you change your mindset and make obsession to find what is right, to look for good in people, look for what is good in your life, the great thing you've achieved, maybe the business strategy you're working on right now, the amazing people you've met along the way or you are going to meet, your family even, they are pain in the ass. Appreciate your family, appreciate your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your wife, your mother, your father, your uncle. As simple as this sounds, but I assure you, this will make a positive shift and make you thrive, make you money, and bring you happiness. Because when the economy is bad, you will find good in it and thrive. So obsess in looking for good, obsess for looking for positive outcomes, obsess for having a positive vision. Number 2, don't blame. We are a society of finding blame, finding a scapegoat, blaming others for our mistake, blaming our parents, blaming our circumstance, blaming our partners, brothers and sisters for not supporting us. We blaming every single thing and everyone, but we fail to take a deep look at ourselves fully enough in the mirror and take responsibilities for our lives. It is your duty and responsibility to take care of you and learn from your mistake instead of playing the blame game. So I am going to encourage you to start looking at the mirror. Take a full responsibility and don't blame others. Blame ourselves in a positive way. Take ownership of your mistakes, failure and success and learn from it. Immerse yourself from it. Everybody makes mistakes, but don't blame anybody. Take the ownership, responsibility. It's your duty, obligation and responsibility to be successful. So look at yourself in the mirror today and tell yourself that I'm going to be responsible for my life. I'm going to be responsible for my success. And it is my duty, my obligation, and my responsibility to be successful in this. Number 3, listen for clues. You know the saying, success leaves clues. I think Jim Rohn said it. Success leaves clues. Success leaves clues all over the place. Successful people leave clues all over the place. It's like breadcrumbs. You want to get into a business or you want to get into an online business, fitness industry, or you want to get into real estate. Find someone that you relate to. Forget their accent, where they're from, or the language, or the way they interact, and extract the knowledge you need from them. For example, if you like what I do, copy me. If you see successful people that you really admire, copy and replicate what they do and make it better. If you want to go into online business, find someone who's amazing in doing online businesses. Replicate and make yours better. If you want to go into the fitness industry, for example, you want to open a gym or you want to be a fitness instructor, find someone who is absolutely amazing in it, right? Absolutely amazing in it, and copy them. It's simple as that, guys. All the people I see have copied someone to make themselves better. You can see Amazon and eBay, they're similar, but Amazon is made in a different way, right? He literally took it and make it absolutely amazing. So that's the sort of thing you need to do. Look for people who are successful, copy them, and make yours better. Listen, take action. If training is required, immerse yourself on it. Successful people are leaving breadcrumbs all over the place. So find them, make good of it. Or you could find a coach, find a mentor, find a course, and immerse yourself in it. This is the only way you can get successful, ladies and gentlemen. This is the only way you could add value to someone else's life. This is the only way you could have the life you dream of. This is the only way you can be able to support your family, your charity, your church, your society, your neighborhood, your country. So please, please, please implement these 3 habits. I've implemented it and I'm still implementing it, and it's changing my life and it's getting me to a better situation. Again, my name is Rahim. I'm a property investor and an estate agent. Thanks for listening.